So these are the bald eagles. The one on the perch is actually the female, I believe. Nope, I was wrong. That's the male. He's missing part of his left wing. He was hit by a car, also in 2002, as was, this is Jonathan and Rita. And Rita is missing part of her right wing. And as you can see, she would rather I leave, but we'll walk really quietly over here. This is the sound, by the way, of our national bird. Sounds a little strange for sure. Okay, I know. Can I take a peek? She has 3 eggs. And we will go away now and let her get back on her eggs. And we'll go next door. Yes. Yes. Okay. And then we'll just take a quick peek around this corner. And see Frosty. The snowy owl. Frosty was hit by a car in 2012, December that year, up near Yakima, Washington. He dislocated his shoulder and fractured his scapula. He can fly now, but not well enough to get back to the Arctic, which of course is where he came down to Washington to spend the winter. Sun's shining kind of bright. Notice those snow feet. Owls have feathers clear down to their feet. Helps with that silent flight. And but snowy owls have snow feet. Okay, guys. And that is the tour of Blue Mountain Wildlife. So, thank you for joining me.